Hey guys, and welcome to the channel. This is Allison, and in this video I'm going to share with you guys just some few simple tips, some things that you can do to help take care of your skin during these cold winter months. The winter can be extremely harsh on those of us with melanated rich skin. Our skin tends to look dry and dull and even flaky when it's cold outside. And especially for those of us that are over the age of 50, if you're going through menopause or perimenopause, that can even make matters even worse. So again, in this video, I'm just going to share with you guys just some few things that you can do to help nourish your skin and keep it nice, moist, and glowing during the winter months. Before we start, if you're new here, as I mentioned, I'm Allison, and on the channel, I provide just some basic holistic health and wellness tips to help Black women over the age of 50 to live the life that they desire and deserve, age gracefully, and obtain optimal health. So with that said, let's get started. And these few things that you can do to keep your skin nice and moist during the winter. And oh, by the way, I am just, in this video, I'm referring to your body. It won't be really geared toward your face. So let's get started. The first tip on my list is to hydrate. Make sure that you are drinking water. You want to start your day as soon as you wake up. You want to start your day with drinking some water, and you want to drink water throughout the day. So the first tip on our list before we put anything on our skin, you want to make sure that you're drinking water. You want to, if you're dehydrated, the first sign of dehydration, it will show up on your skin. Your skin will look flaky and dull and even ashy. So you want to make sure that you're drinking the recommended amount of water that you should be drinking. So first thing is to drink water. Stay hydrated. Number two, and I love taking like a hot shower, but a hot shower during the winter months can aid in our skin looking really dry. So you want to maybe take a warm bath instead of a hot bath or a hot shower. This hot water can contribute to your skin being like extremely dry. And then we have the heat on in the house. So consider taking a warm bath or a warm shower. And then also when you get out of the shower or from taking a bath, instead of just drying off really hard, you want to damp dry. And following your bath, you want to maybe add some oil. There are different body oils that's appropriate for your body. So apply like a body oil and then go over it with maybe like some whipped shea butter that will help lock that moisture in. So the number two thing that you want to do is to, when you're taking a bath or shower, change the temperature of the water. Instead of taking like a really hot bath, take a warm bath. And then after you finish your bath, instead of just drying off really hard, you want to damp dry. You want to apply like some body oil and then go over it with like some shea buttered or whipped shea butter that will help lock that moisture in. Another thing that you can do is to exfoliate your skin, and you can make your own sugar scrub. I have a video on how you can make your own sugar scrub just using some ingredients that you probably already have at home, or they're very affordable. So you want to make sure that you are exfoliating your skin. Start out with maybe once a week and see how your skin holds up to that. And then exfoliation will help greatly with removing any kind of dead skin. So the third thing is to exfoliate your skin. The next thing that you can do is back with taking a bath. Look at the ingredients in your cleanser. You might want to consider changing up your soaps, your gels that you're using, to make sure that they have the ingredients in there that will support more moisture. So consider maybe changing your soaps and your bath gels that you're using. You want to make sure that they're maybe they're definitely for our skin type, and make sure that they have ingredients in there that will nurture and nourish your skin. The next thing that when you are, and this is just the final thing, when you want to avoid any skincare products that maybe have like alcohol or some harsh ingredients in there that you just really don't know, you don't really don't know what they are. So again, with the soaps and the cleansers or anything that you're using on your skin, you want to make sure that you know what the ingredients are, and you want to make sure that you avoid them. You want to make sure that they are appropriate for our skin type. Well, that concludes my tips on some things that you can do to just take care of your skin during the cold winter months, especially for those of us with melanated skin. One, you want to make sure that you're staying hydrated. You're drinking water first thing in the morning and throughout your day. You want to make sure that you are exfoliating your skin. Exfoliating your skin will help remove a lot of the dead skin. You want to also make sure that you are, instead of taking like a hot shower or bath, maybe consider reducing the temperature, taking a warm bath. When it comes to your bath gels and your soaps, consider changing them and make sure what you're using is appropriate for our skin type. You want to look at the ingredients that are in those products to make sure that they don't have any alcohol or any other harsh ingredients. And you try to look for something that is cruelty-free or has been thoroughly tested, and it's again recommended for our skin type. So I'm gonna cut this video, stop this talking for now. If you're still here, thank you so much for watching this video. And in the comment section, please let me know what are some of the things that you do to take care of your skin during the cold winter months. What are you doing to prevent that ashy, dull, dry look? I would love to hear from you. You can just add those your comments and your feedback in the comment section of this video, and please share it, and don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Take care of yourself. Bye.